Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare turmeric versus curcumin. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice, widely known for its culinary uses and traditional medicine applications. It comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant. Curcumin, on the other hand, is not the whole spice, but rather the primary active compound found within turmeric, responsible for many of its studied benefits. Understanding this distinction is crucial for choosing the right product. Turmeric, as a spice, is a complex substance. Beyond its distinctive color and flavor, it contains a variety of compounds, including essential oils, resins, and other plant compounds. While it offers a broad spectrum of these natural components, the actual curcumin content in raw turmeric is relatively low, typically ranging from 2% to 5% by weight. This means you'd need a lot of the spice to get a significant dose of curcumin. Curcumin is the star player when it comes to turmeric's potential health benefits. This powerful polyphenol is not only responsible for turmeric's vibrant yellow hue, but also for most of the research-backed properties. When you see turmeric supplements, they often concentrate curcumin to 95% or more, providing a much higher dose of this active ingredient than you'd get from the raw spice. So, the key difference is concentration. Turmeric provides a holistic blend of compounds, including a small amount of curcumin, making it great for general wellness and culinary use. Curcumin, however, offers a highly concentrated dose of the specific active ingredient, ideal for targeted health support. Both have their place, depending on your goals. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.